Little friends, let's learn some new words. Are you ready? Let's learn. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Stand. Stand up. Stand. Walk. Let's walk. Walk. Run. Let's run. Run. Jump. Jump up. Jump. Clap. Clap your hands. Clap. Dance. Let's dance. Dance. Stop. Time to stop. Stop. Go. Let's go. Go. Eat. Time to eat. Eat. Drink. Time to drink. Drink. Sleep. Night night. Sleep. Open. Open up. Open. Close. Close it. Close. Wave. Wave hello. Wave. Ball. This is a ball. Ball. Book. This is a book. Book. Chair. This is a chair. Chair. Table. This is a table. Table. Bed. This is a bed. Bed. Door. This is a door. Door. Cup. This is a cup. Cup. Spoon. This is a spoon. Spoon. Plate. This is a plate. Plate. Shoe. This is a shoe. Shoe. Hat. This is a hat. Hat. Bag. This is a bag. Bag. Car. This is a car. Car. Toy. This is a toy. Toy. Bottle. This is a bottle. Bottle. Apple. This is an apple. Apple. Banana. This is a banana. Banana. Orange. This is an orange. Orange. Grape. This is a grape. Grape. Pear. This is a pear. Pear. Strawberry. This is a strawberry. Strawberry. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Watermelon. Milk. This is milk. Milk. Bread. This is bread. Bread. Egg. This is an egg. Egg. Cheese. This is cheese. Cheese. Rice. This is rice. Rice. Pizza. This is pizza. Pizza. Cookie. This is a cookie. Cookie. Carrot. This is a carrot. Carrot. Great job. Bye-bye, little friends.